Today I will show you how to highlight something when you take a screenshot on your iPhone. If you take a screenshot, for example, I take a screenshot of my website here, and if I want to highlight something on this website, if I want to highlight something on this website, for example, here I could take a screenshot. So I took the screenshot, and then I can, when you take a screenshot on your iPhone, you can actually highlight an area of the screenshot. Did you know you could do this on iPhone? You could take a screenshot and then you can tap on the edit here. I tap on edit and then tap on the plus sign, and I could choose the option to add loupe. When you take a screenshot on your iPhone, you can edit the photo, you can edit the screenshot, tap on the edit there, and then tap on the plus icon. Then tap on the plus icon here and choose add loupe. And now I have the option here. This is the loupe. Now I have the loupe option here, and I could make it bigger or smaller. Not sure if you see it, but it's increasing the size of the thing I'm looking at. So you can make this bigger or smaller depending on how you want to. And I could choose here to have, I could choose here to put it on this arrow, for example, or on the text. It's not exactly easy to use because it's round like this. But for example, if I wanted to highlight the details here of this article, of this post, I could do it like this. I could even make it bigger or smaller to highlight only the name here. This is really useful if you want to highlight something on the screen easily. So I save it to photos. And now you see this is the screenshot saved, and this highlighting, this area is highlighted, and you can see it's on the image directly. You can see this image is highlighted like that. You can see this image here is highlighted like that, and I could do the same with the screenshot of the home screen. Tap on edit plus add loupe, and I have the option for the loupe. If I want to highlight a specific app, for example, here I could highlight the YouTube Music app. Tap save to photos, and now you see that's the screenshot. If you want to highlight a specific app on your iPhone, this is a really nice option to do that. The add loupe option in edit screenshots. This is the add loupe option when you're taking screenshots, and this is how you highlight items in your screenshots, so it's easier to highlight them. You could also make a circle around it with a pen, but I think it looks a little bit better. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you make better screenshots with highlighted items there. Thanks for watching.